Hello everybody, we are at the Alton Towers Resort for the opening day of Hex and the first day of Scarefest. Well, I'll be giving you a review of what I think of Hex, because this is my first time completely riding it. And we'll also be going into possibly one of the scare mazes on a spin the wheel. So stay tuned. Balls. Oh my God, here we go mate, here we go, here we go. We have literally just rode Hex for the first time. Don't laugh at me, what do you think of that?
Really good.
It was really
Honestly,
cool.
the theming in there and the storytelling just
insane.
Incredible.
Some of the lighting as well. Obviously Hex's soundtrack makes it even better than what it actually is. Like, it adds to it so much, but absolutely nuts. And coming off of it and feeling disorientated and dizzy and actually a little bit sick is not what I expected with Hex, but it was pretty cool. Pretty cool, I think, wasn't it?
pretty cool.
But like the whole thing is cool. As soon as you step through the doors, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm speechless. I'm literally speechless. It's absolutely insane, to be honest. It wasn't what I expected. It was better than what I expected, actually, which is a good thing. I don't know what I expected though. It just wasn't that. Obviously, I knew it as a Vekoma Madhouse,
I think
right?
with us obviously being on the Haunted before, we were kind of expecting it to be on that, but this is very much upscale.
It's like double the size of the Haunted almost. But yeah, it's just, I don't know. I don't know what to think of it. For me, that's a solid 8 out of 10 for a ride, for a dark ride.
I'd agree.
Is it better than Curse at Alt Manor? Nah, Curse at Alt Manor has a special place in my heart, but it's lovely to have this ride back open again, and we're going to be going on it a couple more times. And when we visit for Scarefest later next week, we'll be going back in it again. So, yeah, pretty good, pretty cool. Yeah, it actually looks awesome. Yeah. This is one of the new additions for this year's Scarefest lineup. I've got no idea what it is. I assume it's like a little maze thing, isn't it? Mainly for the children though. But it looks pretty cool. So we're currently deciding whether to have a beer or not. Spin the beer wheel. Just spin it again for me quickly.
Yeah, let's just spin it.
Just go again. No, we said third time. Third time's a charm. Spin it again. We'll be right back. We're going to spin the beer wheel for the first time. Beer, yes! I'm so happy. That's a man waiting for his burger. Come on. Oh, get it, boy. Baba. Beer. Oh. Right, so we are going to do one scare maze now, purely for the fact that we're going to be back on Monday and Tuesday for an overnight stay here, where we're going to be doing all the mazes on Tuesday. So we'll do one for you guys, and we'll spin the wheel as well. We'll spin the wheel again. The wheel.
Yeah, we'll spin
it's
it
back.
only once.
Yeah, only once. I mean, seriously.
Yeah.
Only once, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, once.
We only did it once.
We only... Oh yeah, sorry. 4 beers in. No, we're 1 beer in. But we'll spin the wheel in a second. Right, so here's the wheel spin we're all waiting for. Go on, mate. Here we go. This is going to decide what maze we do tonight. Spin it again. Please spin it again. We're only spinning it once this time. This is the first spin. Oh, God. Spin it again.
First spin, guys.
First spin. I'm happy with that.
First spin.
No, we made it in, yes! That was way too much energy. Yeah. Oh, absolutely. I'm not really that scared, I don't think. I don't know what to expect. Yeah, I don't know what to expect. We'll give a full review when we come out the other side.
I heard there's a chainsaw, and I don't like chainsaws.
I don't like chainsaws either. But everything looks amazing at night so far. I'll put in some clips. Yeah,
you're about to enter Alton Towards Tiny's Revenge. Live action horror maze. Inside you will encounter dark confined spaces, strong lighting, dark voices. Spaces
Bro, this ain't good. Nah, this ain't good, man. That hasn't started, has it? I'm lost for words. It was absolutely amazing. Seriously, Tiny's Revenge is freaking awesome. It was such a good maze, such a good maze. We were pretty much screaming the whole way through. It was actually quite scary. It wasn't what I was expecting, but in a good way again. Similar with Hex. No idea what to expect. Had that. Amazing. What do you think?
I thought it was something.
It was something.
It was. There were some really good set pieces in there. Really
Yeah.
feeling.
Yeah, to the point where you have to crawl through some tunnels
Crawl
as well.
space, I was
yeah,
not expecting.
Hands coming out at you as well.
Yeah, I actually touched at one point.
Yeah. I mean, skip ahead if you don't want to know anything about the maze. But the chainsaw chase out is probably the highlight of the maze. Did such a good job. It's so creepy as well. He was so creepy.
Yeah.
I think the chainsaw guy was tiny, wasn't he? Hey, it was strange. It was very strange. But out of 10, give that a solid 8 out of 10, I think. 8 out of 10. Yeah, there you go. So far, I'm thoroughly impressed. This is amazing. I mean, look at the sign. It's beautiful.
We are the fellows.
Oh, wow.
Delivering strength in control.
I'm going to drive the car home. Let's have a look, shall we? That's awesome. 25 minutes, bash. I mean, wow. It's insane. It even looks insane. I mean, the camera doesn't really pick it up very well, but it is such a cool coaster. It looks even better in the dark. Bro's been stood there watching that for the last 5 minutes. So we just had our night ride on Nemesis, and it's by far probably the #1 coaster to ride at night. I mean, it tops Hyperia. I was at Fright Nights opening weekend last weekend, and I got a night ride on Hyperia. But this is 10 times better than Hyperia. What do you think, Adam?
Well, this is a special coaster to me anyway, as it was the first thrill coaster for me. And be able to see it running the way it is, and the way it looks now, incredible.
The fact it's still around as well is just crazy, isn't it? I'm so glad that they decided to rebirth it rather than get rid. They couldn't have got rid of this. It's so good. It's so good. Beer. How much money have you just spent?
Not important.
Don't worry about it. But we're leaving. We're done. See you on Monday.